What's going on, guys? You're checking out Kyujin HQ. My name is Chris, and welcome back to a brand new video. So, if you've been a fan of my channel here in the past, whether it be here or over on my Instagram, you've probably come across my desk setup tour. You might notice that my daily driver always tends to be the Model O by Glorious Gaming. I absolutely adore this mouse. I love everything that it does. I mean, when it comes to this, the way it feels, the way it performs, it tends to always be my daily driver. I do review a ton of mice here on the channel, but that one always seems to get my most attention, at least for the past year and a half. So I'm a fan of Glorious Gaming. So back in May, I saw that they were releasing a limited edition colorway, and knowing me, I just had to have it. It's being released in their Model O as well as their smaller version, the Model O minus. So boom, the time is now. Here it is, pink. I own some pink mice, and it's pretty sweet. I mean, when it comes to the Model O and the Model O minus, they perform absolutely amazing. There should be no major performance differences between this and the original one. The only major difference is obviously going to be their new Hyperglide feet, which should make it glide a little bit faster on your mouse mat. Very, very awesome. Super excited to get into this. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, I've said this time and time again, whoever is in control of their marketing team, you're absolutely crushing it, because this is an attractive looking box. I mean, if I was a consumer walking through a storefront and I saw this sitting on the shelf, you bet your ass I'm going to pick this up and dabble with it, because this is a cool looking box. The mouse is like drawn in here. Very, very awesome. Super excited to open this up. Now, this is going to be more of a showcase video. Like I said, there should be no major performance differences between this and the original Model O and Model O minus, but it's a pink mouse, baby. Let's check it out. No judgmental talk either. Pink is for everybody. When opening the box, the first thing we are greeted with is the mouse itself. I'm going to tell you right now, this pink already has my eye, but we'll check this mouse out in a moment. What's beneath this is a bunch of just boring old paperwork. Some pretty cool stuff here. A little note from Glorious themselves. And then we have some really, really awesome looking stickers. I absolutely love stickers. I throw them on water bottles. I throw them in places they probably shouldn't go. Where do you guys put your stickers? But these are really cool. These are cool stickers. Anyway, let's go ahead and check out the mouse, because that's all that they give you inside the box. Pretty straight to the point here. Taking a look at the actual Model O minus in pink, this is a very, very nice looking colorway. It's not too over the top bright and hot pink. It's like a nice powdered finish to it. It's a very, very attractive looking color. I don't know why they didn't opt to give us a gloss option when it came to these mice. They only offered it in the matte finish, but I'm not complaining. It's a very, very nice looking mouse. I really do like the white accents as well. It does complement the mouse super, super nicely. You have the nice white cable here with the white scroll wheel and the white side buttons, and the little Odin face here as well. A very, very nice looking mouse. I'm so happy they didn't go over the top and really just make this a bright pink. It's almost like a pastel colored pink. Very, very cool looking. Let's go ahead and bust out the original Model O and put these two side by side. Comparing my original matte white edition to the new pink, there really is no physical differences at all. We have the same size, shape, and honeycomb shell, which obviously was to be expected. It really is just this new pink color, as well as the logos are now in white instead of the original gray, which I have to say I really do like, because the white matches this pink beautifully. Flipping the mouse over, you'll notice that the new pink edition comes with the G-Skate feet already installed. Mine being one of the original Model O's, I had to install my own G-Skates. If you're unfamiliar with what G-Skates are, they're basically Glorious Gaming's version of Hyperglide feet, and they really do make a difference when it comes to gaming. You can see just how easy this mouse glides on my desk pad. It almost feels like it's floating. It really is amazing, and it does make a huge difference when it comes to competitive gameplay. So if you guys were curious, the major difference between the Model O minus and the Model O, if you did not know, obviously the Model O minus is a smaller, lighter mouse. It is a 58-gram mouse when it comes to weight, and obviously has a much smaller handprint, where the original Model O is a 67-gram mouse with a bigger handprint. That's the major difference there. That is really it. Now, personally for me, when it comes to using the Model O minus on a daily basis, I just can't do it. My hand will tend to cramp up. I have a much larger hand, so the Model O minus after a while just doesn't really work for my play. But I do tend to use this a little bit more when it comes to first-person shooters. That is where I believe the minus does excel over other mice. It is lighter, so you could just whip it across your desk, no problem, and you get those pinpoint accuracy when it comes to headshots. You could play with claw grip. If you're someone that claw grips games, this is perfect for you as well. I can personally only do that with first-person shooters for only so long. But you might just have a smaller hand too. If you have a smaller hand, this mouse will definitely work for you. But then the Model O is my go-to because that 67 gram in weight, I just feel is basically perfect. Like I said, it's not too heavy and it's not too light, and it just fits my hand way better, and I can use this more fluidly. So that is a major difference. One is lighter and smaller, and one is heavier and bigger. So when it comes to the RGB control on the mice, it's actually fairly simple to navigate through. As soon as you plug in the mouse, you will be greeted with this whitish blue static light, which I think, honestly, it really complements the mouse very, very well. I actually might rock this color. But anyway, let's show you guys, like I said, how to navigate through all of the RGB effects. Fairly simple. This one here I already have turned off. All you have to do is, at the same time, simultaneously hit this top button here, the DPI button, as well as the scroll wheel in, and you will start to cycle through the RGB effects like so. Hit that one there. This is my personal favorite when it comes to the rainbow effect. It's a nice slow flow through all the colors. That's actually what I rock on the white mouse that I currently own. Very, very nice. Like I said, the colors do pop very well off this pink as well. Let's see the next color. Next color is a slower fade through the color spectrum. Also very, very cool here. I do like that. Then we have, this looks like the same type of thing, just maybe a little slower. Yeah, it's kind of just going through the color spectrum there. Then we have, that's the solid white that it's stock with. Then we just have like a beating red flashing in and out, which is definitely kind of cool looking, except I don't know. It's to me, it just doesn't really match the mouse. And then we have this slower effect from front to back. That's actually pretty cool. I actually could use that too. That's actually a pretty nice effect on the mouse. Let's see what we have. This one here, yeah, no, this is just kind of like, yeah, I don't like that. You might like it though, that's cool, but this is like, you might have a seizure. That's just a little crazy for me. I'm not a huge fan of that. I don't know who's gonna rock that, but if you like it, that's cool. A nice little, this is a little bit fast, like a faster of the first one I showed you, where it goes through the entire rainbow effect. Also kind of cool, a little too fast for my taste, but better than the last one I just showed you guys. And finally, then you turn off the RGB effect. Very, very neat, very easy to kind of navigate through. Nothing too crazy. I really do, like I said, I want to pair a, I mean, I was telling myself this before, but I want to pair the pink Ascended cable with one of these mice here. Like, if you could see on my original white Model O, I actually went ahead and paired their purple Ascended cable to kind of match my purple aesthetics that I have clashing with my setup here. The purple Ascended cable is super nice on this cable, and it's super on this mouse, I'm sorry, and it's super easy to install. So I really would like to maybe throw a pink Ascended cable on one of these to you know, give it that little extra pink flair. Very nice, very cool, easy to navigate through. Well, guys and girls, that is the pink colorway from Glorious Gaming. What is your opinion on the colorway? Do you guys think the pink is cool? Do you think it's tacky? What do you want to see Glorious do next? I mean, personally, I would love a dope purple mouse announced by them, maybe even in a gloss version. It would be very, very cool to see. And if you guys want to see me pair one of these pink mice with the pink Ascended cable, whether it be here in the channel or over on the Instagram, I could definitely get that done. So please don't hesitate. Let me know down below in the comments. And what do you guys think of the mouse? That's what I want to know. What do you think of the mouse just in general? I mean, do you like the Model O, the Model O minus, and what color do you want to see them do next? Well, guys, if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing, share the video with a friend, give the video a huge thumbs up. And I want to grow this community bigger and better, so I can only do that with the help of you guys. If you want to take the conversation a little bit further, come find me in the Discord channel where it grows every day. I would love to have some cordial conversation about pink mice. All right, guys, that's it. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you all in the next one. I'm actually going to charge this one up. Peace out.